Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Android phone without any apps. So guys, at first go to your settings. Now tap on the search bar and search private DNS. Now tap on private DNS. Now you have to turn on this option, designate private DNS. And here you have to write something about your designed private DNS. Suppose I am writing this one. And guys, after that your DNS will be connected to your phone. And now you have to just restart your phone. And guys, I hope this method will help you. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.